Pulled the graphics up, started on pulling graphics off my old boat, so you can see where it says Proline, so I can try to start polishing it. So I figured to show, and it looks terrible. It is. It's scratched and it's dull. I mean, super dull. You can see the difference where the graphics come off. And on this side over here, I don't need to shoot to the other side. And you can see I gotta fix the gel coat where they scratched it. There's where I pulled the graphic. But I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's where I hand polished it. But if you can see, right there is where I started buffing it. I've hit this with 600, 800 grit, and 1500 grit sandpaper to get rid of the Proline. I've about got it gone, but I don't know if you can see this, but I'll put my hand up there. You can see where the shine is. That's just a little bit, and it's starting to come back in. So it's gonna be a fun little project, but it'll take a little time, but it'll get there. I don't know if you can see it shiny, but till next time.